Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Conestoga Wi-Fi. To get started, you will need your Condor ID and password, which are your universal sign-in for all college services. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on. We will guide you through the simple steps to access the secure campus network, ensuring you stay connected for your studies and activities. Once your Wi-Fi is active, navigate to your device's network settings. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Look for the network named CC Secure and select it. This is the primary and most secure network for students and staff on campus. Choosing this network is the first crucial step in getting online. After selecting CC Secure, you will be prompted to enter your login details. Use your Condor ID as the username or identity. Then, carefully type in your current Conestoga password. For some devices, a security certificate prompt may appear. Always accept it to proceed. This authenticates your device to the college network. For Android users, there are a few extra steps to ensure a smooth connection. In the advanced Wi-Fi settings, set the EAP method to PEEP and Phase 2 authentication to MSHAP2. For the CA certificate, select Use System Certificates or Do Not Validate. Finally, enter Conestoga on CA as the domain. These settings are vital for a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.